Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Titan YouTube channel, the place where you can find out everything you want to know, everything you have to know about your favorite coin and about your favorite token. And in today's video, I'd like to show you how can you actually buy one of the most popular meme coins and tokens. Of course, we're talking about Dogecoin, how you can buy it using Binance platform. So in case you want to find out how to set up an account on Binance, please write down in the comment. We can make another video just for you. So let's go straight to the point. There are actually a couple of ways. We're going to talk about the three of them. First one is the most basic one, especially if you don't have anything in your wallet. You can buy directly using your fiat currency. What do you have to do? Click on buy crypto. Of course, you have bank deposit, but the easiest way is using your credit or debit card. Of course, if your country supports Binance and vice versa. So let's go there, click on the fiat currency you would like to choose. So let's go with dollars. Of course, down there you have to find the BUSD. Here it is. Let's say I want to buy for $20. This is the amount of Dogecoin I will get. You have to click on continue. And of course, you need to add your card. So it could be MasterCard or Visa. And after that, like for any other payment, you know what do you have to do. So second way is to convert. How can you do that? Up there, you can click on trade and then convert. Simple as that. So I'm not using conversion because there's no fee, but let's say conversion rate and currency exchange rate is not like the real one you can find on CoinMarketCap. Is a little bit lower or higher, so against you basically. Let's say I want to buy using a USDT for $20. Down there I need to find the Doge. Here we go, $20 is the minimum. And click on preview conversion, so it says you can see the amount you will get, and that's it. Click on convert. Of course, after 5 seconds you have to refresh because the price is changing, right? And then you click on convert, and that's it. You'll get the value in Dogecoin of $20. And third way is through the spot, through the basically market. So click here, spot, right? And we're going to our classic market. So we have to find Doge. Up there you have to put DOGE, right? So USDT pair, we need to find a pair. The good thing about this is that you can set up an order. For example, you don't like the current price, you want to buy it when it goes down, but you don't want to stay near your computer or phone and check every 2 hours. Let's say I want to buy if the price goes down to the 0.1 USDT, and the amount is, let's say I want to buy for $20. So if the price goes down to 0.1, your order will go through. You can see your order down there. Of course, if you don't want to wait, what you have to do is simply put this value, right? Maybe a little bit higher just in case your order can go through. So 0.1435 and the amount of USDT you want to spend, and this is the amount of Dogecoin you will get, and click on buy, and that's it. You're good to go. Okay guys, let me know in the comment what do you think about this video, and of course until the next video, please invest smart.